Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, Decorating on a Budget. Now, I did a video a while back cleaning out the right side of the garage, and I said I was going to do the left, and here we go. I'm sorry that it's blurry. I did not realize it was blurry until after I looked at this video. And that was during the time where I was having issues with my blood pressure being or my sugar being up high and making my vision a little blurry and not realizing that it wasn't matching. But anyway, I'm going to try to straighten out this side of the garage, get it straightened out, get rid of the trash, all that normal stuff we do out in the garage, and have it looking half decent enough for me to be okay with opening the garage door on a regular basis. Because right now it is a hot mess. Now, as you see that big treadmill there, yeah, it's a source of pain in my life. But you'll see how things turn out. I'll be back at the end and we can talk a little bit more. Okay, I'm tired. It's hot. So the thermostat says, oh my God, it's 89 degrees. I'm going in and I will come and finish this another day. I am about to melt. But you see what I accomplished. But that treadmill is going out to the trash. It doesn't work. So it won't be there. And then over here, that's what I will work on tomorrow. I'll work on that tomorrow. But I have to go in. It's 98 degrees. And I'm about to combust. So I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, yeah, it's taken me a minute to get back out here. Life has been lifing on Cherry Lane. So I'm back out here to finish up and kind of move some things around on the other end to try to complete this job today. I'm not doing too much, but I'm doing enough to make sure that it's straight. So let me go ahead and finish this garage. Okay, now this side of the garage is pretty much straight until I get a shelf to put all that on the shelf. But everything looks 100% better than it did at first. As you see, the treadmill is gone. And I want to get some more hooks to put up there to hang my other wreaths up there. I think that would be helpful. And I want to get a hook for the ladder. And I always keep those folding chairs out here because sometimes we sit or my husband comes out here and sit. But you must admit, it looks 100% better than it did. I'm happy. And I finally finished the garage. Woo!